Dear customers, thank you for choosing Mingwell Configurable Power Supply as your first choice. Mingwell to hear the feedbacks from all of you and decide to announce the second version of NMP selection tool to enhance better user experience. Next, we will go through the operating details with you. First, we can access the NMP selection tool via Mingwell's official website. Click on the configurable, then roll down to find the NMP. You can reach the entrance of the selection tool underneath. After entering the selection tool, you can choose the language you prefer on the right top side. With 3 simple steps, you can complete the product selection. We can start by select the number of output that is required for the system. Then, enter the voltage and current parameters accordingly. At the same time, the picture on the right side will give a live preview of product based on the parameters. During the parameters entering, warning may appear when the parameters are out of specification or the demand require Mingwell engineers to have further discussion with you. However, you can still proceed the next step as long as the information is not missing entering, or you can adjust the parameters according to the warning. After the confirmation of the parameters, click Confirm to the final step. An email will be sent after all information are filled. Once the inquiry sending is done, we will proceed and get in touch with you as soon as possible. That's it. It's that fast and easy. Besides from official website, you can also access the NMP selection tool from Expo and mini website. Please explore our NMP landing page to reach for the latest news and information. If you have any questions, please contact Mingwell.